Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the latest trends for Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and Ethereum, three of the biggest names in the crypto world. Let's jump right in. First up, Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to hold its spot at the top, showing signs of stability after a roller coaster year. In December 2024, Bitcoin's price is testing new resistance levels, often bouncing between $30,000 and $40,000. We're seeing more big companies and financial institutions adding Bitcoin to their portfolios, which is huge for its credibility. But keep an eye on regulatory news. This can cause some price swings. And don't forget about the upcoming Bitcoin halving in April 2024. This event could really shake things up, as it typically does by reducing the block reward for miners, leading to less new Bitcoin entering the market. Moving on to Binance Coin, or BNB. Binance Coin is crucial for transactions on the Binance exchange, offering lower fees for those who use it. Plus, it plays a big role in the Binance Smart Chain, which hosts lots of dApps. But there's been significant regulatory scrutiny, especially from the US. Binance is working hard to stay compliant, which is key for BNB's future. Price-wise, BNB has been pretty resilient, even with market volatility, thanks to its strong use case. Lastly, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is transitioning to Ethereum 2.0, shifting to proof of stake, making it more energy efficient. Recent upgrades like EIP 4844 are aimed at improving scalability. Ethereum continues to dominate the DeFi and dApp space, keeping demand for ETH high. Its price often moves in sync with Bitcoin but remains the second largest crypto by market cap. Each of these cryptocurrencies faces unique challenges but also tremendous opportunities. Their continued adoption and developments in blockchain technology mean they're likely here to stay. Keep an eye on market trends and especially regulatory changes, as these could significantly impact their future growth. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on all things crypto. See you next time.